we're going to go over a few nice features on the Q series you may or may not know about. And we're also going to see how my videographer skills do here. My iPhone is currently on a tower of boxes being held up by a red marble apple, so hopefully you can actually see my head. First thing we're going to talk about is a really practical feature, or I should say practical features. So we're going to go into the whiteboard. Now, if you've done the update on your whiteboard, you're going to notice a new pen. Maybe you've already explored this, but it is a pen that takes your handwriting and puts it into a font, like an Arial font. So if I write just here quick, it is going to make that into a font. I can do a quick heart. The one emoji I've gotten to work is a smiley face. Now, those you might not use all the time, but I do think if you click into the pen and you do this shape one, it's really nice for a quick circle or a square or a line. Just really fast to make those. When you're looking for more whiteboard space, is splitting your screen. You're going to go to the ellipses or the three dots down here. You're going to look for the word canvas. And then you're going to see split mode. If you notice a little shaking, the apple just tilted to its side on top of the Kleenex box. This is high production value, folks. Okay, you've got two boards now. They work simultaneously. They have very basic functions. They have the pen, you can change the color, they have the eraser. If you need more space, go up to the ellipses in the top left-hand corner. You'll see a 3 split. We're gonna switch, and now you have 3. This could be really fun if you're doing like a review game with. You're going to see my buttons here. I've done a little bit of customization. So if you click onto these buttons, click and hold, you will be able to change them. So it automatically defaults to the PC. We don't have the PC feature, so I would recommend either the front Type-C or the rear Type-C. And as you likely know, that's referring to the USB-C. And if you haven't already tried the screen mirroring from your MacBook without the cord, contact an instructional coach. We'll show you how to do that. It's slick and it's really nice, so you're not connected by the cord. I think we're all ready for spring. So how did I get this background? This is where you're going to go to your browser, find an image that you like, or save one onto your Google Drive. Maybe it's of your family. I've noticed different people have, picture collages, sometimes of their students. In the Newline video that I'll connect here, she even had the idea of what if it was kind of like a student reward. That might work really well, particularly in the elementary school. Like if they're student of the week, maybe they get to pick the background.